Hello, my name is Marie and I am the founder and head copywriter at the Witty Copy. I have been a copywriter for more than 6 years and a writer overall for probably 10 years. At some point I decided that I'd like to have my own brand because branding is very important nowadays. And that's what the Witty Copy focuses on as well. We provide copywriting and branding services because both words and images are necessary to attract the right audience and to sell, if that is, of course, your goal. At the Witty Copy, we provide copywriting and branding services. When it comes to copywriting, we offer email, short copy, long copy, advertisement scripts, and pretty much everything that includes words, and we do it in multiple languages. We are a team of experts worldwide that have years of experience in copywriting or writing in general. When it comes to branding, we offer 3 services, 2 of which are designed for companies that already have a strong brand or perhaps a middle brand, and they either want to change or they just want somebody to analyze them. The other one is for those who are new beginners and are only starting. For example, individuals who have an idea but haven't really branded it yet. For them, we help create everything from scratch. So if you are interested in any of our services, please do check thewittycopy.com and do not forget that you do get a free 15-minute consultation because it is very important that we are the right match, right? So we can achieve great heights together. Wish you a lovely day and see you soon. Bye.